We are back with NBC News In Depth tonight, and we're calling it America for Sale. Right now, the dollar is very weak compared to other currencies around the world. That means American products are cheap overseas. Same thing for American companies, commodities, even a landmark or two. In Depth tonight, here is NBC's Bob Fall.
Is nothing sacred? Anheuser-Busch, for 132 years, an American icon, could be swallowed by a company based in Belgium, run in Brazil. In St. Louis, Bud's hometown, that is enough to make grown men and women cry in their beer.
I don't like it. I think it's a very, very sad thing that the Belgians may be invading.
Bud is not the only target. Foreign hedge funds are eyeing the famed Chrysler building in New York City, even mighty CSX Railroad.
More and more Americans are going to end up working for foreigners. And overall, Americans are going to have a lower per capita income simply because the money goes abroad. The profits will go abroad.
We've been down this road before. Remember the hullabaloo nearly 20 years ago when Japanese investors bought and later sold the Pebble Beach golf course, along with 51% of Rockefeller Center.
I think it's a long-term trend that we're going to see more and more foreign acquisitions within the U.S., and these will include the so-called iconic brand names.
It's not just about the beer. Last year, foreigners bought a record $414 billion in U.S. assets. In the last 10 years, foreign ownership here has multiplied 5 times. With a weak dollar and soaring trade deficit, the rest of the world owns more of America than America owns of the world. The chickens are coming home to roost.
We've been buying more than we've been earning, and as a consequence, the world wants to be paid. And the only thing we have left to pay them with is our property.
Anheuser-Busch is resisting the takeover bid, but here, when suds are drained, the glass looks more than half empty.
Coming back to this table.
This is America.
Even if American supremacy ain't what it used to be. Bob Fall, NBC News, Washington.